Today we are making these cheesy potato skins that are loaded with barbecue chicken and bacon. They bake up pretty quickly, just an hour for baking the potato and then about 5 to 7 minutes to get them nice and bubbly and ready to serve. For this recipe I use 5 russet potatoes. I spray them all over with olive oil and season them with half a tablespoon barbecue rub. The potatoes bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour until they reach 205 degrees Fahrenheit. While they cook, I make 1 chicken breast in a pan on the stove. I brown it up with a little olive oil and barbecue rub, then add some barbecue sauce and water and let it simmer covered. I add a pack of bacon to a parchment paper lined baking sheet and bake it in the same oven as the potatoes at 400 degrees, and I flip it every 5 to 7 minutes. It's usually done within 20 minutes. Once you're able to handle the potatoes, because they'll obviously be very hot out of the oven, it's time to cut them in half lengthwise. Then use a large spoon to scoop out the insides. You want to make sure that you're leaving enough potato around the edge, like 1/4 of an inch, so they stay sturdy. You don't want them to be only the skin. Once the insides are scooped out, you can always save them for another recipe. It's time to load these up. I like to line a sheet pan with some parchment paper, and then I put the potato skins, the inside facing down, and I spray the outside with some olive oil. I flip them over so the carved out section is on the top, and in goes that diced barbecue chicken. This is so easy to make. If you don't know how to make a good, easy chicken breast, make sure to check out Sip Bite to Go. I have so many recipes there for you. The next ingredient to go in is a nice helping of freshly grated cheddar cheese. It will definitely melt better and you'll get more of a cheese pull than if you buy it pre-shredded. Trust me on this. And finally, you want to chop up that bacon into small diced little pieces and add it to the top, and then you're ready to bake your loaded potato skins in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It would only take about 5 to 7 minutes until they're nice and gooey on top. If you love easy recipes, make sure to sign up for my Foodie Fridays email list, and definitely top your potato skins with a little extra barbecue sauce and some cilantro or chives. Don't forget you can print all my recipes at sipbitego.com. Delicious.